Wednesday, June 8th, day 82. Everything's wet, damp, soaked. Put on my wet clothes. Slept with a bug net because the no-see-ums or mosquitoes were buzzing in my ears. That really helped, actually. Slept in a damp sleeping bag that is never dry except in the hotel room. Happy birthday, Steve. I'll try to text you later if I don't forget, but it's here on tape, so thinking about you. Thanks for your support and being a wonderful friend. I was the last one up. Everybody was up at like 5. Then they sit around for 2 hours bullshitting, rattling their bags with the little red lights. I don't know, if you're gonna get up that early, get the fuck out. I'm the outcast again. I try to say something and everybody looks at me like I got 2 heads. And then they chat about nothing for the next 17 hours. Supposed to thunderstorm and hail later by 2. I'm hoping to make a shelter at 16 something. I'm not feeling it again. So here we go. I'm absolutely, I hate this fucking trail so much today I want to vomit. Left camp at 7:15. Everybody's saying it's gonna be a flat day. Well, maybe it's flat from outer space, but it's been non-stop boulders since I left camp. Not as bad right here, so I took out the camera. Bouldering, slow as fuck, wet, damp. Jeans passed me with the slack pack going 100 miles an hour. He ended up shuttling into Devil's Backbone Brewery and drying off inside the restaurant over beers and 2 meals. Didn't wait for me. Oh, there's no shuttles. He flies by me, slack packing. Then somebody else flew by me, slack packing. I'm the slowest motherfucker out here. I hate this fucking trail. What makes it worse is everybody's regard for it. Oh, sitting around the shelter. Oh, how many sips of water did you have today? Oh, I had 7 sips. Well, I had 6 sips, and then I had 5. And I thought maybe I'd have 4. And then, oh, what'd you do this? What'd you do that? What'd you do that? Blah, 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 blah. Nobody listens to one another. Nobody talks about anything real. People can't wait to say what they have to say after listening to somebody for a split second. I tried to say something once, and fucking, I don't know, they must think I'm a fucking dick. They ignored me, so I ignored them the rest of the night. Fuck them. I had no time for fucking stupid conversations anyway. Some guy came in chirping about Reagan and trickle-down economics. My answer now to why I'm doing the trail, I want to know what it's like to be a liberal. Wow, this is fun. Quitting jobs, no jobs. Not listening to anybody else. Not having to have a real in-depth discussion about anything scientific. Get the fuck out. Trying to push 20 miles today, my ass in this fucking boulder hole. This piss hole boulder hole. I'd like to pee spank the guy that told me it was flat today. Pee spank. Slap slap. Look it up. And then I gotta, one of the reasons why I got off trail, because I didn't want to listen to everybody talk about COVID fucking 24/7. Everybody's coming into the shelter talking about COVID. And now they got norovirus. Oh, I was sick. I don't know if it was norovirus or what. I don't know what the fuck it was. Great, now they're all getting me sick. I've been the picture of health for fucking 25,000 years. Get the fuck out. Take a vitamin. I gotta get off this trail today. I'm having a mental breakdown. Falling all over the place, wobbling. I think I have equine encephalitis. Hey. Hey, I just figured something out. I can't fucking stand hiking. That's the problem. Boulders, rocks, climb, ankle twists, rain, thunderstorms, bullshit, people, fucking opinions, community, socialization, more rocks, more bullshit, more cocksucking. Actually, anything but cocksucking. You fucking whore. You rocky, never-ending fucking whore. Get me a fuck home. As if the last few days weren't tough enough, it just monsooned for 20 minutes. Soaking wet all over again. I had to stop and wring out my socks just to minimize the chance of all the skin sloughing off my feet again. And a substantial amount of water came out of my socks, and there is a little bit of an improvement, but it was coming down. Thunder in the distance. For a minute I thought it was gonna hail. It was some pretty big raindrops, and it got cool. But like that, it's warm again. The trail was a river. It's a little better down here. I wasn't about to take my phone out in it, but yeah, it's a shit show. It's a shit show out here. Not anymore. It's gonna be my home place in a minute. Just finished the last climb out of the last shelter before Rockfish Gap. I'm fucking dying. So it's a descent for 3.5 miles, and then a little ascent to Rockfish Gap. I've been weak all day. My back hurts. Sweating out. I'm trying to get to the shuttle by 5:30. It's just about 4. I don't have time to eat. I don't have time to eat. I pray the rocks don't come back and it's just like this, so I can regroup. So yeah, I mentioned at the beginning that it's my buddy Steve's birthday. We went to grade school together, high school together. We went to the same college. We were roommates. So he's kind of a lifelong friend, but we don't get to see each other a lot these days. You know, shit happens. Hopefully he's having more fun than me. Maybe if I ever get to town, Steve, I'll have a drink for you. Or 20. Whoa, there goes the ankle. I'm almost there. And there's thunder. I want to avoid this rain. I want to avoid this rain. 20.8 miles. I can hear the cars. Old Howard Johnson's. Waiting for Megan, the trail angel, to pick me up. And then I'm headed to the Quality Inn where Honey Baby extended my stay for tonight and tomorrow so I can see her tomorrow and not Nero. I need a dentist. Little gumbo action for appetizer here. This is awesome, Justin. Thank you. Is it too late to get another beer? Same thing, sir.